So here it is. You've been waiting all week and finally it's here. You're ready. The car meet is tonight. So you've watched your favorite Fast and Furious movie. Now you're ready for your first car meet. Right? Well, maybe not exactly. Here's some things that you should do first before you head to your first car meet. Step 1, bring a friend. If it's your first time, odds are you're going to end up spending a lot of time alone. You don't want that, especially if you're shy or if you have a hard time talking to people. You won't know anyone there, and there's nothing more intimidating than going to your first car meet. You don't want to be the guy who just stands awkwardly for 10 minutes and then decides to go home because he's having no fun. Find one of your friends who's interested in cars. Bring him with you. At least then you'll have somebody to joke with and talk about when you walk around and look at everyone else's cool rides. Step 2. If you're tired or just not feeling good, then you're not going to have as much fun and you're not going to present the best version of yourself or your car. So grab an energy drink. Make an extra cup of coffee. Shop online for some cool mods for your car. Go on YouTube. Watch your favorite car show. All of these things will help you get in the right mindset to go to the car meet. Step 3. Be ready to take some negative feedback. Not everyone is going to like your car. Not everyone is going to have the same opinions of you. Maybe people even make fun of you. It's all part of the car culture. Everyone's lighthearted, everyone jokes around, people make fun of cars they don't like, and you shouldn't get offended by it. But likewise, you can have fun with this too. Make fun of other cars. Joke around with people about their cars. If you bring a friend, you have someone to joke with. Tease them about it. But just be ready to take criticism back. And don't let it bother you. If you let criticism of your car bother you in the car world, you'll never be happy. Step 4. Now this is the biggest mistake I see at car meets, and one that actually I am guilty of myself. You go around, you walk to all the cool cars, you talk to everyone about their builds, you take pictures, and then before you know it, it's the end of the night, and the venue is kicking you out, and you're halfway home by the time you realize that you didn't talk to anyone about your car. You went to the car meet partly to show off your ride and what you have. Don't be afraid to talk to other people about your build. They're just as interested in hearing about your stuff as you are in hearing about their cars. Take some time to stand next to your ride. That way people can ask you questions about your build and you can tell them about it. It's not often you get to brag about all of the cool mods that you've done to your car, so take advantage of it. After all, car meets are about showing off what you got. And finally, it's pointless going if you're not going to have fun with it. So bring a friend, show off your car, be in the right frame of mind, and just have a good time. Now, you're ready for your first car meet.